mafunzo yenu itatusaidia.
I know through your training we will be helping.
Lakini kama Furaha wanakubali kama
when we teach one woman,
kama tunafundisha mwanamke mmoja,
we have taught the whole nation.
Maana yake huko kitu cha kuoza inaleta rehe.
Kiswahili ni rehe.
Inaitwa rehe. Harufu.
Then we officially start our training.
Kisha tunaanza training yetu.
And we want
unaweza tumikisha mfiniko ya ile msina isha muimwangie muzile baseza kabambi.
Kampuni kazi nzuri wamefanya kwetu hapa. Ndio ninasema asante na shukrani kwa kutusaidia sisi wa refugee wa mama zetu kutengeneza sabuni, na tungeomba kwamba wasiachie hapo, waendelee kufundisha wote mkambi nzima.
Baja kudanga baletedde certificate. Furaha tu.
Furaha business Uganda lives.
Kama mnaitumikisha
ejakuyo yenyini egenda kubapika
okuluma kubanga ali mu nsenda naye nga mazima obeera na kino ekipapula sometime olina okumanya nti eri seefu.
Kati wano omazeewo bbanga ki?
Nze banzalira wano naye abazadde bange bali ba refugee, even now bakyali ba refugee.
Bali luddawa?
Mamange abeera eno, abeera we bayita Bukere. Kuva wano tuukayo siringi tuyambye era neeyanziza okubanga muzo tuyigiriza bamutwadde ebyokola naddala mu budde bwe tuyinza okumala nga tulowooza nti tugende mu basajja tugende kusabiriza obudde bwaffe tuyinza okubumalirawo awo nga tukola
nsaba Dr. Ruthi oyo ayansiima nansanga kuwolesoni nga njolesa ebintu byange n'asiima omulimu gwenkola n'agamba nguleete mugabaneko n'abakyala b'eno ekyakatu mwebaza nnyo ate musaba atwongere chansi kubanga abakyala bangi abakyaliyo tukomewo tubayigirize abakyala banyiikivu baagala nnyo okusoma ate musaba mukama wange ngenda kwogerako naye oyo ayayambye n'atukkiriza n'atusapootinga asobole kusapootinga abakyala bano ekiba kisoboka ng'asobola abeeko engeri bw'abasukumamu kubanga nabalabye nti bakyala banyiikivu nnyo kye baagala bakitegeera baagala nnyo okwekulaakulanya bw'aba asobola kulaba nga abo bakyala bano bafunayo obuyambi oba kaputo babasukumemu mu kasente nsaba akibakolere kubanga abakyala balaga omutima gw'okwagala kusoma baagazi nnyo ku kintu ky'obakola baayise ne bakwatirawo saawa zire sabuni bagyesalira bagyekoledde bagyesalidde.
We really appreciate private sector. We appreciate private sector Uganda for this opportunity to the refugee women and the few nationals that we have around. We also appreciate the leaders of this area, the youth leaders, the RC2, the commandants, everyone in the settlement has been really cooperative. We've not had any challenges because everyone has given us the time and the opportunity that we needed. We continue to appreciate the women. We were limited by the number, but there are so many outside through the windows that are still willing to learn. So they are still waiting for more opportunities, and we appreciate all the other organizations in this settlement because we found so many other organizations that are helping to skill women and the youth. We've been at Sweswe Youth Center, and the time we've been here has really been productive. A lot has been learned, a lot has been put in place, and like Ruth said, we are going to leave behind materials for the ladies to continue practicing because this is something that you need to perfect as you practice, and then when we get the time to come back for DIT, we shall see what they have done and continue to help them to perfect their work. But otherwise, we appreciate private sector, we appreciate the government, we appreciate the directors of Furaha Business Limited for this wonderful initiative because it has really been impressive. It has been great, and I am very sure everyone who's here is excited and still willing to learn and take on more opportunities.